Hello friend, welcome to your own channel. How to know? In this video, I'm going to tell about the new token listing on the gateway. Before I'm going to start, please subscribe my channel if you my channel. And if you want to sign up on the gateway.io, sign up link is given in the description section. From there, you can easily sign up and can get 40% referral bonus from your each invite. So let's start the video. As I'm going to tell the listing of new token. The token name is Acala Token and its symbol is ACA. Okay, so let's see when it is going to be listed on the gate.io. So let's start. As you can see here, gate.io will list a new token, Acala Token, at 500 am UTC on 25th of January 2022. To celebrate the listing, Gate.io will hold an Acala token deposit event. So if you are new user, then get sign up using the sign up link given in the description section. Let me tell you about the Acala token. It is the decentralized finance network and liquidity hub of Polkadot. I hope you all are aware about the Polkadot. So it is a hub of Polkadot. It is a layer 1 smart contract platform that is scalable, Ethereum-compatible, and optimized for the DeFi with the inbuilt and ready-made financial applications. With its trustless exchange, decentralized stablecoin, dot liquidity static, and EVM plus, Acala lets developer access the best Ethereum and full power of Substrate. Token symbol is ACA, and website link is also given here. I will take you all on this website after some time. Okay, so here deposit of Acala token is link is also given in the description section, and trading link is also given. So from there you can easily trade on the Acala token after the listing. Okay, so if you want to register in a color listing, so you have to click on this link. I will also share this link in the description section, and the form is same as earlier I was told you. Just you have to enter your UID and some information like email ID and other things to join it. After joining, you need to complete some activity. Like activity first is given here: net deposit composition competition with the 11,413 ACA, approximately $30,000 giveaway. Okay, first place holder will get 300 ACA, about 800 US dollar. Second place holder will get 260 ACA, about $700, and third place holder will get 119 ACA, approximately 500 US dollar. Okay, fourth to 20th user will get 1900 ACA equally, approximately 5000. It is all said for the 4th to 20th, and it will be distributed equally in each. And more distribution rule is given here so that you can read it out from the given link in the description section. There is a note: the 101 and 300th place bonus are capped for the 60 ACA, around 200 US dollar. Participant need to deposit at least 150 ACA, about 400 US dollar, to participate in this competition and complete the first activity. So deposit link I will also share in the description section. From there you can easily join. Activity 2 is new user registered trade, and if trading the 760 ACA they will get. So just a total of 2000 ACA price pool can be shared in first come and first serve basis. All the activities going on the gate.io will solved as first come and first serve basis. Link is this link is also mentioned in the description section. From there you can join easily. Activity third is also given here. So I will mention all these three activity in the description section. You have to complete KYC and you have to invite some new user. If new invitee user is buying on ACA, then you will get mega rewards from the gate.io. Other than this, all the rules and regulation are same as for the other listing, and I have already told you in many videos about this notice. And risk warning, just I'm always telling you that you have to make your own risk analysis, and after making it, then you have to invest if you want to invest in that. So let's go on the website of the Acala. Just have to click on the link. I will also mention the website link in the description section. From there you can easily check it out. So here you can see dot contributed is 3251598.9.5. So you can check also the rewards if you want to know about more. So if you want more about the Kala, just you have to visit on site. Here you can see powering Acala. Acala is the utility token that power the DeFi hub of Polkadot, transaction fee, node, and on and all and things. And I think it will be the good token for the investment, but as market is very volatile, so you need to check it your own risk analysis. After that analysis, then you can invest on own risk. So I am making this video. It doesn't mean that you have to invest in the Acala. Just read and analyze, then decide what you have to do in this token. So hope this information is very useful for you all guys. Please like my video and share as much you can as share. And please, if you are new on the gate.io, sign up link is also given over there, where you can find you can get 40% referral bonus and for 10% discount in each trade. Thank you for watching.